Hi guys, today I'm going to test out this mould. Now it's oriental of design and I believe it's going to be a coaster. We'll see how it works out. I'm mixing up some epoxy resin. I'm going to add this little, it's a mica powder, but it sort of changes colour, like it's a purpley green colour. So we'll see how that turns out. It's like an iridescent purple with a touch of green. Anyway, let's see how this works. Okay, I'm going to grab my blowtorch and I'm going to really carefully pop those bubbles. I'm going to let it sit for a few days and I'll be back to unmold. Okay, time for the unmolding. Yeah, I really like this mould. It's picked up the detail really well. I don't see any huge major air bubbles at all. There might be a little few ones there, but for first go, yeah, no, I'm impressed. I'd definitely give this a go. Thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe. I've got a lot more videos coming up, testing out a lot more moulds. See you guys.